Ka Kanhur Menteri Jong ka Sorkar Jilla menta ka singi ka artrek unailar klasim ya karai ban petrekam da ka service rule habre bat kami kriya Public Service Commission habakan bat klar pai kubor hadim lawai ka jelang nakliang menteri rang ba ka jila konras kongkol sangma ulong ba ka Mpsc hadin ba ka trekam lagi pau snam kiala ban rano ya ka ka service rule.
So we had our cabinet meeting today, and number of agendas were discussed in the meeting. But so some agendas were deferred, but some agendas were cleared. So the first was the agenda of the service rules of the Mpsc. As you're aware that the Mpsc has been functional for decades, but it did not have service rules for the employees out there, and hence today in the cabinet we have finally cleared the service rules of the Mpsc. At the same time, there was a very minor amendment that had to be made in the Meghalaya Medical Council Act of 1987. As you're aware that earlier there used to be what we call the Medical Council of India, MCI, and in the Meghalaya Medical Council Act, the word MCI was still there, but as you're aware, the MCI has been changed and now it is the National Medical Commission, and that particular word had to be amended in the Act of the Meghalaya Medical Council Act, and that amendment has been today proposed through an ordinance, and that was cleared today by the cabinet. And then there were other issues that were there, which of course we could not clear because there were some discussions and more clarity was required, so those were deferred. So hence I will not be mentioning about those particular cases. So mainly these two subjects were discussed today.